game, CJ Perez. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you, thank you.
Coach Leo, in the last 2 minutes and 25 seconds of the game, the once 15-point lead was wiped away. What were your marching orders to them to ensure that the game goes in your favor?
Yeah, we have a game plan regarding the end game and all, but the defense of NLEX really taking good care of our offense, maybe because of their scouting and all, and they know what to do. And Junmar was not able to take a lot of shots because of the defense of their and everybody knows na in the end game we will go to Junmar, but fortunately he was able to get one shot and he made it, and I think that's 2 points ahead basket para sa kanya. But I give credit to NLEX because they are down by 15 points. They were able to get back, but something happened to the team because when we're leading, yan yung sakit yata namin before when we're leading, so the tendency to relax and of course sometimes nagkakaroon ng luxury to use the players. Actually rotation ko naging 11, and that's good for the team because I want everybody to get confidence, and because all Filipino is really a different ball game, especially the teams right now. A lot of them improving.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now, CJ, sa tulong ng teammates nyo, you were able to limit Robert Boric to just 12 points as he shot 18.2% from the field. How disciplined and defensive-minded did the team have to be able to get that number?
Actually, simula nung nag-start kami, sila coach yung talaga yung pinocus namin. Sa defense talaga, as you can see, mas aggressive kami sa defense ngayon. Yeah, sometimes we're not making our shots, pero bumabawi kami sa defense. So, yeah, and Bolic is their main guy, so kailangan namin talaga pagtuunan ng pansin. So, yeah, yun. Thank you, kasi maganda yung scouting din ako.
Thank you, CJ. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
To both, as conference, hindi naka-playoff. So, kano kayo ka-gutom yung conference na makabawi? For both?
Yeah, for me, last conference is really frustrating for us because everybody expecting us to do well, but there's a lot of things happen in the team, especially getting the right players to the team, and then the motivation is too low because of some of the, especially the imports not performing, and there's nothing to be blamed, but it's not an excuse, it's a learning process for us. But this time, which is the all Filipino, everybody thinking that this is our conference, but I told them that don't be complacent. Although we won a lot of championship in the all Filipino in the last decade, it's not a guarantee. We could get a win easily. Because as I said, there are a lot of teams are looking forward for this championship because that is a very prestigious conference.
CJ.
Yun nga, sobrang frustrating na parang first time ko ata hindi nakapasok sa simula nag-umpisa ako sa San Miguel. And yeah, pero naging motivation sa amin na magtrabaho talaga. We've been practice for
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Nag-practice talaga namin.
Kami pala 4 weeks, pero kayo 2 weeks.
Siyempre, yun nga, pinaghandaan namin, talaga nagpa-condition kami, nag-focus kami sa defense, kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin. And yun nga, nung last conference, wala naman tayong sisisihin. Sa amin yun, sa team talaga yun, and nagkulang kami, pero ngayon we have a chance na bumawi at this conference.
Coach, yung final minutes ng game, napansin namin na si Jeron Teng ay nagagamit. So, ano ba to? Parang ito na ba yung signal na mas malaki na ang role ni Jeron for this conference?
Jeron, I think is deserving to get a lot of minutes because in the last 4 weeks of training namin, is the one doing well. And you can, wala kang masasabi sa kanya in terms of attitude, work ethics, first player to come to the practice and last player to lead the practice. And he's really focused on this game because I know na he's very confident, but I'm so happy for him because he didn't lose his confidence and keep on working hard. And some of the players talagang namomotivate niya because yung mga kaposisyon niya cannot relax because anytime Jeron will be a good substitute for them. And I'm happy for him because in our tune-up game, he was able to control some of the scorer of our opponent. That's why nakakita ako ng chance na bigyan siya ng time dahil alam naman natin, Jeron is a marquee player before. And I want him to get back to that kind of confidence he has before.
Coach, and CJ. Coach, parang nagpayatan yata kayo sa mga sa team niyo. Kasi parang nag-slip kayo lahat sa team. Kasama ba yun sa preparation?
Kasi nakita namin yung coach namin sa front condition. Kaya motivate kami lahat ng mga players. Pero yan, sabi ko nga, we've been working out talaga since nung nahulog kami ng maaga. So, yun, I think the conditioning coach, Aldo and Coach Jigs doing their job really well. Lalo-lalo na, kaya makita nyo si Mo, talagang nag-workout talaga siya, nag-focus siya sa sarili niya. He's moving well ngayon, kaya halos lahat naman. So, yeah.
Actually, before the start of the training, I talked to our trainer and PT to do something about the team, because we're after the sun, talagang playing weight nila. And then nakamonitor sila until now dahil that's the only way how to get better because we cannot get a lot of good players right now because we have to be focused because I know last conference we're losing because of I were not blaming the imports and a lot of players teams keep on winning because of their import. So now they don't have the import, we don't have the import. I think we can fight back to them and then I want them to set their mind. The mindset is different right now because we have to redeem ourselves from that frustrating last conference.
Coach, so Wednesday playing yung Meral ko tsaka yung Shepherd 50th anniversary, so gano'ng kahalaga sa inyo na maglalaro kayo sa special day ng PBA?
Well, it's an opportunity for us because that's our 50th anniversary and we're up against the team that beat us in the All Filipino, and I think we're focused on that game, but not we're not there's no grudge match between us but we have to do better because that's the only way for us to redeem ourselves and it's good na nakahype itong game na ito because of anniversary and good for the basketball community, and I hope na ma-realize namin na that is a very prestigious game.
May jersey na kayo, Coach?
Sila meron pero ako yata wala.
So,
Coach, going to that game, team and based on this game, ano ba kailangan nyo improve on?
Yeah, I still have to improve a lot of things because this team is different from the first few years with San Miguel because I was able to develop the attitude of the player, the mindset, and we're able to get the winning attitude, and that's something now we have to get back, because when you have the winning attitude, you don't want to lose it, especially in the finals, because they know if you win a championship, there's many things that are good things that could happen to the team, good for the family, good for the players, everything. That's why winning is a winning attitude ang kailangan namin and I think slowly by winning in the first few games, I think it will give us a lot of confidence, especially those players na with us in the last 10 years because they are the veterans and they know how to win.
May timeline ba kayo, tingin mo, para sa'yo, bago nyo makuha yung winning attitude, maibalik yung winning attitude?
Once we get into the playoffs, in the top 4, I think slowly the confidence will back. But right now, it's just a one game. So we're thinking one game at a time because I said next game namin is Meralco and they won against Converge, come from behind. And that's one thing I saw from them. And their game, they know how to play. They know how to lose, they know how to win. And that's something that we have to develop with a lot of players. Although, some of the players talagang keep on winning. CJ was able to win 2 times in our team, and they know the glory of winning a championship.
JM ka, mga coach. Update.
JM
JM.
KJM. JM was able to join us in the last 2 days of practice, but I talked to him na just be patient because we have 4 big man and he's the 5th big man in our team, which is crucial for us because in the last week of practices, some of the players from the big man was sidelined, so it's hard to practice. But because for me, an ideal lineup, a big man on the team, on the 15-man lineup, I think is 6, and we only have 4. And with CJ and Junmar and Jericho out, so we need somebody who could help us, especially the big man.
Jericho pala ako.
Jericho is out because of nagkaroon ng sore eyes last Monday, and we don't want him to be contagious. Dahil alam naman natin sore eyes talaga ganyan. For health reason, ganyan. So, we cannot, hindi namin tinatago ito dahil it's a health.
Shades na lang.
Sana lalagyan namin ng goggles para kaya lang. Okay, thank you.
That's from Global Warrior Press Conference. Thank you, congratulations once again, gentlemen.
Thank you.